Hello class, this is me, Dwayne. Today I'll be doing my video project on an industry that I may not necessarily be going to school for now, but this is an industry one day that I really want to be a part of and hopefully make an impact of, and that would be car audio. And speaking of which, someone has some in their car outside. But that's besides the point. Today I'm going to go over the YouTube app and or website that many people use daily, like myself. Most people, well, let's just hop on over. No. Let's see, YouTube. Boom. YouTube is well, it's a website, and people share all sorts of things between music and how-tos. If you need a video about how to do something in your life, whether it be fashion or how to fix a car, I used YouTube a week ago to try and figure out how to tag out spark plugs in a Ford Taurus. You know, it's pretty useful. Like, I know most of you people have said that used YouTube. They have the option of YouTube Red, which I used the free trial for a month that they gave me, and it was alright. I don't know if I would spend however much money a month or a year, whatever it is. Let's see. Yeah, I wouldn't spend $10 a month for it. You can sit through the I'm better off just sitting through the, ads and stuff. Plus I have AdBlock Plus, which that helps with a lot of things. So that's always nice. Oh, there we go. Sorry, I did my bad. But, so I'm going to show a couple of YouTube channels from a couple of big name car audio guys. So the first one is going to be more of the speakers, and these guys are Sundown Audio. These guys make a very good product, and let's see, these guys on their YouTube channels essentially showing, what they're doing, what the products are doing, videos of them playing their products, testing, and such. Then you have, moving on, we have Taramps, or Taramps, however you pronounce it. These guys are based in Brazil, which is probably why I can't read this. But these guys make a really good amplifier. That's that there. They also do alarms and things like that. Let's see. Yeah, these guys will show you how to, they'll give you reviews about their products and other fun stuff like that. Then you have another group called, these guys make really good batteries. They are XS Power, which is kind of obvious by that there. But these guys have products, or these guys have videos of their products being used in like world record breaking, builds and stuff. And there you go. These guys, everyone uses everyone else's products. Sometimes Sundown will use their own amps and things like that. And you have other ones like DC Audio, which I couldn't find good videos of theirs on their channel. But, these guys more use Facebook and other things, but I would. Let's see. These guys, they make great products, and through YouTube, I think they do a very good job of conveying that their products are good. And yeah. Let's see. How long is that? Yeah, that works. Yeah, so there's that, and that'll be all. Thank you guys, and enjoy the rest of your day.